Well, this is our last market alert video for the year 2020. And you know what? Good riddance. What a year it has been. And wow, wow, wow. So basically, just want to recap with you this year. And as you guys know, it's been a backward, bizarro world we've been in. We have a pandemic. We have millions, tens of millions of people unemployed. But yet the stock market sets new highs, real estate prices skyrocket, and consumer spending is robust. How is this all possible? Well, it's all, as we've been describing to you, a result of the Federal Reserve early in the year coming forth and announcing they're going to buy up the entire bond market if that's what it takes, and that calmed everybody down dramatically. And then, of course, the stimulus package that came on the heels of that, which gave people the ability to continue to spend, and that kept companies' profits in good shape. So despite all the terrible economic news, the terrible stuff that's been going on, and the tragedies from a human lifespan perspective, economically, the economy seems to be chugging along pretty well. But again, as we've said, it is all dependent upon stimulus. Without stimulus, consumers have no money, or the ones that are unemployed have no money, and 70% of our economy is consumer spending. So without that, the economy, we still think, could tank. However, it appears that the politicians have finally gotten their act together, kind of, sort of, and stimulus checks are on their way out the door as I record this. So kind of an interesting year. One of the things that we're most proud of is that our invest and protect strategy came into play this year. And of course, when we got out of the market in early March, we did not know that the Federal Reserve was going to jump in. There were going to be stimulus packages, $5-6 trillion, unprecedented stuff. We didn't know any of that. All we knew was that there was the possibility of another Great Depression. And so we took evasive action, protected you from what could have been, again, another Great Depression. And so if we had to do it again, we would. We always want to protect you from bad things. And if we can do that, then we will do everything in our power to make it so. Here in this last quarter, we've seen a tremendous rally. The stock market has gone up significantly. And so that has benefited us in the process. And I think that it has put us in a really good place heading into next year. So all in all, this year has been a terrible year from a human tragedy and from what the pandemic has done and the bankruptcies of small businesses that have been decimated by all of this. But from the standpoint of the stock market and from the standpoint of where we sit, it appears that at this point that no harm, no foul. So again, we could not do what we do if it were not for you. We are so appreciative that you allow us to be your retirement planner, to help you to navigate all of this stuff. Our goal always is to have your money last as long as you do. We don't want you to ever run out of money. So that is and we want you to have peace of mind as well. And we hope that this year, by getting out, protecting you from what could have been a terrible thing, gave you that peace of mind and helped you to not worry that you were going to run out of money. And so we, again, want to worry about all this stuff for you so that you don't have to. And hopefully with the vaccine, we will be able to go out and enjoy our second childhood without parental supervision and go do all the stuff that we'd love to do, but that we can't because we are hiding from the virus. So from everybody here at the Arpoa family, we wish you a very, very happy new year. And again, we are, from the bottom of our heart, thankful that you have allowed us the privilege of being your retirement planner. So next week, when we have our market alert video, we'll have our fearless forecast for you. So you'll look forward to that. But in the meantime, Happy New Year. And again, thank you, thank you, thank you.